Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's topic, I'm going to talk about Copilot and AI in the October 2024 feature summary of Power BI. There are improvements made to the create page capability in Power BI with Copilot. So Copilot is improving. It has increased clarity and transparency. Let's look how it works. But for you to work on Copilot, you need to either be on the F64 capacity in Fabric or the P1 capacity in Power BI. And also, by default, outside the US and France, Copilot is default disabled by default. If you want to enable the Copilot, you can ask your Fabric tenant admin to do that. And there are good enhancements on Copilot. So now let's look at it. So I'm going to go to my Fabric tenant, and within Fabric tenant, I have a sample lakehouse, and within the lakehouse, I have a semantic model. So I can quickly show you the semantic model. So I can go and see the open data model. And within data model, there's nothing much. There's one table itself for now I've used for Copilot demonstration. It has order, shipping, sales, profit, and so on. So what we can do is let's go quickly to create report. And before we do that and use Copilot, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please comment, what your feedback is. If there is anything, please give me genuine feedback. And please share this video with your friends to see how Copilot works. So now we are in the blank page. Now let's leverage Copilot. I'm going to move myself a little bit here, and let's enable Copilot. And let's see, we have this Copilot, we have the preview option, and we have some options here. And I'm not going to prompt anything, so I'll just ask Copilot to suggest content for a report page, and let's see what it has. So it has four types: sales performance, customer insight, shipping analysis, and product performance. So let's ask Copilot to create a sales performance page for me. So let's see what it does. It's working on it. Let's see what output it gives for now. And I'm hoping that it gives us the output that we expect, or something very, very decent. Copilot has evolved, it's using generative AI now, and this is good. So if I minimize this is pretty good. I can see the sum of sales, I can see sum of profit, sum of quantity. I can also see slicers, some slicers. This is nice. And let's ask it to do customer insights. So let's ask it to create customer insights page as well. So let's see what it comes on with the customer insights. And let me see, because I don't want sales trend or profit or quantity. I can just take out quantity for now. I'll keep sales by location. Oh, it gives me the customer insights as well. This is good, sales by region. Give me this page automatically. It gives me sum of sales and the customer details and sales trends. Let's ask it to create a shipping analysis page and the product performance page as well. Let me ask him to create shipping analysis. Let me do this, and let me so try to take out profit. So I don't want this. Let's take this out. And it gives us the shipping performance analysis as well by ship date, ship mode, second class, first class. This is nice. I kind of like this. It has improvised a lot. In fact, let me delete this and it's here. And now if you can see it also organize it very neat and clean. Let me ask Copilot to create that fourth page that we had on the product performance. Had the thing analysis. Yeah, let's ask Copilot for the product performance, and let's see what it creates. Product performance as well. This is really good. I kind of like this now. It's creating the product performance page as well. Profit by category, quantity sold, sum of profit, and it gives me a different chart as well. This is nice. Let's ask Copilot to create a demand page. Create a demand analysis page with shape, with maps, showcasing demand for city, state using the following metrics: total sales, total profit, and total TT also create slicers product for technology and product category page. Let's see how it works. Creating this, let's see, is it able to analyze the prompts? And this is fast, really fast. Oh, this is really good. It gave me the category and subcategory filter, slicers, and gave me sales by category, profit by state, quantity by state. So this is nice. It's good. It's improvised now. There are certain prompts as well, create a report that shows, we can build something, we can suggest content, we can get an executive summary. Before that, what we can do is, what I wanted to try was a narrative feature. So that's why I moved this out. So smart narrative. So I can create a smart narrative because smart narrative also has Copilot. And we can ask smart narrative to create a analyze a list of insights from this page, and let's ask it to create the narrative. Let's see what it does. But in the meantime, if you like this, please let me know. Do you really like Copilot, and or do you feel that it's very basic yet and it needs a lot of improvements? Obviously, the Copilot is also available for, uh, in the DAX data model as well. So if I go to my data model and not in here. So if I want to write DAX queries on my data lake, so I can do that as well. But let's wait for this to create the narrative quickly. What I can try to do is I'll try to just ask Copilot to give me a narrative on just three visuals for now. Let's see. It gave me total sales, profit by region, insights are there. This is really good. Now we can do one thing. We can save this report. I can save this report and I can just give this a name, and I'll say this is my name, my sales order, Copilot, and I save this as a task. There's no task for now. I can save this as a report, and this report is saved. I have my report ready. 4 pages in the report, less than in 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, I would say. It's really nice. It's one single page, and you can further look at improvising this, obviously. But once you have the access, you can also ask Copilot here on the left, and I can ask Copilot what might be the questions that leadership might ask me, and it will try to generate some questions that is required. It might analyze the data and just give us what questions might come in. So let's wait for another minute, and it's really good. So if you look at this, Copilot has done shipping performance analysis, and it says it gives us a narrative, which were the exceptions, which page had exceptions. So if you hover over this, it gives me shipping details tab. It gives me this is the page it gave me narrative on. What is the questions? What factors could be, predominance of standard class? How many shipping times affected the sales? What is the optimization? This is really, really very good. It is improvised a lot, I would say, and I kind of like this. We can also kind of, what insights we should look into. So let's try this one last time. And by the time it comes out, I'm really happy that Copilot is improving, generative AI is improving, and people are trying to use that. And it gives me performance analysis on the shipping mode utilization, shipping dates, performance over time, and what questions that we can guide for your analysis. And I'm really happy. And I kind of like this. I would recommend you guys to try it out. If there are any questions, if you need to understand more, please do get in touch with me. I'll pop in my LinkedIn description as well, LinkedIn page. And if there's anything, please go ahead. And until then, great guys. Thank you so much for connecting. You guys have a lovely rest of the day and happy weekend. Cheers, guys, and see you again in my another video.